All right, guys, so I have a question. If it smells like fish, but tastes like heaven, do you eat it? That's the question. No, it's not durian. We're in an area right now. We have stopped here in the past. Hello. This whole area all down through here, they sell the dry fish. And Lut is, I told her we're gonna pick some more up. But let me show you. Now, before we begin, to all you naysayers out there, oh, you don't buy anything off the vendors. Let me tell you, they're all gonna try to get you to buy something here. So it's just, you gotta pick and choose who you want to deal with. But I'm gonna show you all through down here. See all the dried fish. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
And when you drive down the road here, everybody grabs a little, like she'll show you how they wave everybody in.
Yeah.
Like they all just wave their little thing to get you to come in. What's that? But it's all
dried fish.
press. So that again, Pressy and Jonalyn dried fish. That's the name of your dried fish.
Yes, sir.
Was it somebody's birthday?
Happy Three Kings.
Happy
Three Kings.
drinking. Oh, Happy Three Kings. Oh, okay. Yes, I've heard of that. All right. Through my YouTube channel, I show the world the Philippines, and I show like the different things that go on, and the food and the culture, and so that's what I'm showing you. Yes, I see. Yes. Maybe we'll see. But yeah, like I said, they will. Everybody here will ask you, and it's like you got to pick and choose. You know, it's like you kind of feel bad telling them no, but you can't buy it from everybody. But if you're familiar with dry fish, it does have has a smell of its own. And when you're walking in the markets and stuff, you can smell it. Now this is out in the open air. They all sell the same thing. They all pretty much sell the same thing. I'm gonna see a lot of them sometimes. What they'll do is, and they have the fish sauce. There's all your fish sauce that you can choose from, different flavors, different tastes. Sometimes what they'll do is they'll cook it up for you, and then you can taste it. So maybe Lut's down here. Oh, there's Lut. Lut's got herself a, look, even Lut has one. Get out there and flag people down, Lut.
No, there's no car. I just started doing that one.
Are you dealing with these people?
Yeah.
Are they going to make some up
They
for you?
already make it. Actually,
Cool.
they still remember you.
Oh, they do?
No, when I take out, they said this black guy. They said like, oh, they're the one who blacked before.
Oh, okay, all right.
Oh,
See,
no,
Lut did this. Lut vlogged this area, but I didn't vlog it. But yeah, they're gonna hook us up. They're gonna. You've dealt with these people, right? Yeah. So we're gonna just keep dealing with these people. But you can see it's like a bamboo flooring here, and as you're walking, it feels like sometimes you're gonna fall through, but you're not. This is all the dried fish. Just all kinds of different dried fish, dried squid, dried shrimp, like dried shrimp, dried.
Actually, I don't know that kind of.
I don't know the fish, but we'll come back. When they got it hooked up, they're back. You're frying? Yeah. Hello. See, she's hooking it up already. Yeah. Bangus. Milkfish. Okay.
Hey, Brian.
Oh,
I'm asking her why they like this.
it's to get people to come in.
No, they said so they can stop.
Oh, so you can stop. To lure people in. All right, I'm just gonna walk down here quick. I'll show you some more. This is, what is it? Can you pronounce that for me? Jaramillo dried fish. 24/7. You open 24/7? Jaramillo dried fish. There's our business permit. I'll come back. Crunchy chili and garlic. That sounds good. Hot chili oil. You can just smell it. I'll come back and I'll taste it. Some of it's pretty good. It smells like fish, but tastes like heaven. It's crazy because, dried
Dried fish, sir.
I'm looking. Oh, you got, these are like a little dried crab, huh?
Crablets.
Crablets.
Yes,
That's
sir.
what they're called, huh?
Yes, sir.
Crablets. All
Bye,
right.
sir.
I'm looking. I'm looking. Thank you. It's weird because it does smell, but I've tasted some of it. It's pretty good. Others, I don't like it. It's too chewy and rubbery tasting to me. But even all the way down through here, all the way up and down this highway, for quite a few miles, you have all these people selling everything. Hello. Hello. And you can see, hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I'll just walk down here to the end. But like I said, for a good 5 miles, if not more, these stalls are set up. This is a pretty big area through here. And they all pretty much sell this the same price, same everything. So, all right, there it is. There's only a little more. All right, I'm gonna walk back up here and I'm gonna sample some more of this dried fish. I'm gonna see if they have them crablets. I never had the crablets. All right, so here's what I'm gonna try. Look, can you, somebody tell me what it is, what I'm trying? What am I trying?
Ano to siya, dam?
This.
Pia, ma'am.
Pia.
Pia?
Pia is a fish that is a sea fish. The Jeprox? Yeah, Jeprox, they said.
I can't eat all that.
No, you just get this piece
like
of it.
like a taste.
Half dry.
This is they marinated with soy sauce, garlic, and also vinegar. Here.
Is there little bones in there? Do you eat that? Bones and all? Do you eat all the bones?
Yeah, I think.
See all the little bones? Well, we'll give it a try here. I just want to taste. I just taste. Let me see. Not a fan of that.
Okay.
But, oh,
Crablets, sir.
crab. Crablets. Crablets, right? Crablets.
How is it? It's a crab?
It's just crunchy.
Yeah.
It's kind of not like you can bite it. You don't taste anything, but then after you chew it for a while, all the juice goes in your mouth. What is this?
Fish.
What kind of fish?
I don't know. Ano yan siya? Bisugo.
Basugo.
Yeah.
Look. There's my audience. they're all watching the foreigner eat dried fish.
Bisugo.
Bisugo. All right.
Kaliit.
Let me see. Let's try it.
Oh.
That's good. What else did I try? Squid, right?
Yeah. Espada.
Swordfish. All right. Swordfish. I've had
Ano
this.
to?
It's good.
Ano to? Squid.
Yeah, I've had the swordfish. It's masarap.
How about this?
I don't know, what is that?
They said this is salmon, mackerel.
What else did I try?
Yes.
I didn't try this one, right?
Anong
one?
fish yan siya? That's a swordfish too. That's a whole swordfish, and this one, that's a swordfish, but they already cut it.
Oh, that was cut up, and this
Yeah.
is the big one. Well,
This is the baby one, and the cat one is the mother.
the big one. All right, I'm going to eat its head. I'm going to eat the head.
Oh.
It's like beef jerky. Like sort of beef jerky.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. Beef jerky. Very good. Very good. What else? Actually, I like this one. It's chewy and it's good.
This squid. Oh.
This is squid.
Yeah.
Squid. Alright, squid.
Hindi kami nag-try.
That's chewy.
Squid is chewy.
Yeah. Is that all of them?
Yeah. This mackerel, they said.
Mackerel?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the mackerel. My mouth is full. Now I need something to drink.
Something to drink?
Alright, let me taste
I think
mackerel.
there's a store at the in front too. Fishy.
Alright guys, so of course everybody wants to know prices. What are the prices of the dry fish? Now they sell it per kilo, or some of it's prepackaged, as you can see right here and back there. These are, what are these called again, Lud?
Flowers.
They're a sea flower.
Yeah.
Type of sea flower.
Fish flowers.
Fish flower, there it is. And how much are they per kilo?
400, 1/4, so it's gonna be 1,600.
Per kilo?
Yeah.
And what are they?
This?
Yeah.
Ano this? Boneless dilis.
And what is that per kilo?
Magkano yung kilo?
Po yung 1/3 ma'am.
450, 450, 900, 1,800.
Per kilo?
Yeah.
What number is she giving you on the bottom end?
It's 1/4.
Oh, quarter
Quarter.
kilo.
This?
Yeah.
Sap-sap. Magkano yung kilo nito?
50 po yung 1/3 yan.
500 per kilo.
500.
No, 1,000. 1,000 per kilo.
1,000 per kilo. And all right, we'll just go to the crablets. Magkano?
Problems.
350 po yung 1/3 ma'am. Bali 1/3.
350 for 1/4.
1/4, 1,400.
400 per kilo. What about the little shrimp?
300 1/3 sir. Bali 1 po yung isa.
1,2 per kilo.
1,002 per kilo. There it is. There's another one, squid. It's getting a quarter
Bawasan mo sir.
kilo, and look at all that squid. That's a meal. That there is a snack meal. What's nice is a lot of times if you find, oh I'm sorry, let me get out of the way. A lot of times if you find a good one, like you can sit there, if you're a beer drinker, and I know, you know, from when I used to drink and stuff, like you can sit and just eat this while you're drinking beer and stuff, and it's good. Like I said, I'm not the beer drinker anymore, but kind of reminds you of like a sit and snack on this, like you would sit and snack on popcorn. Like I said, I was always the one, oh man, it smells. Oh my God, there's no way I'm gonna eat that. It just reeks, it smells, no way. And then one time Lut bought some at the market, it was about 2 years ago easily, and she cooked it up, and I'm like, you know what, I can't say I don't like it if I've never tried it. So I did give it a try, and I thought it was good. It was good. What's cool here is they'll fry up whatever you want, and you can taste it. Yeah, that's what's cool. All right, the girls are bagging everything up we bought. Like I told Lit, you know, she bought some. We always like to hook our neighbors up too. Our neighbors at, you know, back home. When we go to place, we always buy them something because they do keep an eye out on our property, and they do keep eyes out. And, you know, plus we're neighbors. We all get along, and you know, it's the neighborly thing to do. So we bought the neighbors some stuff. Lit has bought a couple things for the store. We bought some dried fish. You got to, like this woman here, this woman here, or the woman there, these two women, they're from a different store, so you try to spread the love, I guess you could say that, so everybody kind of gets a piece of the pie, but you just can't buy from everybody, you know, so you just buy a little here, a little there. So anyways, time to pay the bill. Time to pay the bill. All right, guys, time to wrap this one up. We got our bag full of dried fish. Like I said, if it smells like fish and tastes like heaven, do you eat it? What do you think? Do you eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's say yeah. So here we are. What is this? St. Thomas? Is this St. Thomas?
Santo Tomas.
Santo Tomas? Santo Tomas. Santo Tomas La Union. So there it is. You can't miss these dry fish vendors. If you come off the highway, coming up the highway, get off if you're coming down to San Juan, San Fernando. You cannot miss these vendors on both sides of the road. Pick and choose what you want. Like I said, I like this one because there's a lot of people here. I'll show you. Let me show you here. See how the cars are coming? See how the girls are all out now? They're like cheerleaders, right? They're like little cheerleaders with their little pom-poms. They're all over the place. But yeah, even if you know, everyone you go by, they're always waving in like a cheerleader. Sorry about the noise, but it is on the highway. But anyways, with that being said, I'm going to wrap this one up. Once again, take care of yourself, take care of each other, the sick, the elderly, the young. You have pets, take care of your pets, and we will talk to you later.